Hi everyone, my name's Chelius for CreativePro, and in this video I want to show you how you could take an existing PDF file and export it to the PowerPoint format. Now there might be a couple of reasons why you might want to do this. A lot of times people like the way that the PDF looks, but they want to adjust the messaging of the project, and so editing a PDF file is actually fairly difficult, but in PowerPoint, it makes the process a lot easier. So let's take a look. So here I am in Adobe Acrobat Pro, and I'm going to come up here to where it says All Tools. And in the list of tools that appears, right, you're going to find the option that says Export a PDF. And I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and it's going to switch over to the Convert tool here. And within this list, you're going to see that I can export the PDF to a variety of different formats. And one of those formats happens to be Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm going to enable the Microsoft PowerPoint radio button. And then down here, I can choose what language my document is in so that that conversion can accurately represent the language of the text appropriately. And then I can also click on this little gear icon. So if I go ahead and do that, it's going to give me a few options where I can choose how I want the conversion to PowerPoint to go, right? So if I wanted to, I could have it include any comments that were in this PDF file. I don't have any, so I really don't need to enable that. And then down here, we have an option to recognize the text if necessary, right? And that's in the event that you've placed an image that contains text and the conversion feels that it needs to run OCR on that object. So if you enable this, you can also set the language of that text, right? In my case, it would be English. So I'll just go ahead and click OK. And then I'll go ahead and click OK again. And now we can click on the Convert to PPTX format. So I'm going to click that button. And I'm going to go ahead and save this into my surfing folder that I've already created here. Put that in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the Save button. And notice that the format down here is set to PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the Save button. And in the lower right-hand corner, you're going to see a dialog box appear, just kind of giving you the status on the conversion of the file. And once it's done, I can go ahead and switch over to, in my case, the Finder, right? And it also automatically opened the PowerPoint file for me. But I just want to show you, if I go to my surfing folder, right here is the PowerPoint file that it exported. And then with the PowerPoint file open, I'll just kind of resize this here, we can see that each page of the PDF has been converted to the PowerPoint format. Now, it's worth noting that the conversion is not perfect, right? You'll notice that in the situations where I had like angled text with a unique font, although that text is still editable here, it doesn't look quite like the original. So you may need to replace the font in a couple of situations. Same thing down here, right? The text is still editable, but you might need to make some adjustments to your PowerPoint file. But you can see that all of the text here is completely editable and can be adjusted and changed to your liking. So that's how we can convert our PDF file to Microsoft PowerPoint inside of Adobe Acrobat Pro.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.